Hi guys, we are here in a brand new video about the crypto world, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to our video on cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll explore the basics of crypto, its definition, its potential as the future of finance, and its intriguing market history. So let's dive in. Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is a fascinating digital phenomenon. Unlike traditional currencies, you can't physically touch it. It's challenging to predict its price movements, especially since it's relatively new. However, thanks to advancements in AI technology, we now have access to accurate insights that can help inform our decisions. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? It's a decentralized digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. Unlike traditional currencies governed by governments or banks, cryptocurrencies operate on a computer network without a central authority. They eliminate the need for intermediaries like banks during transactions. Instead, the system uses cryptographic methods to verify ownership and ensure secure transactions. Many wonder if crypto is the future of finance. While its unpredictable nature sets it apart from traditional markets, some believe it has the potential to skyrocket in value. Investing in cryptocurrencies aligns with the digital age we live in, where digital assets are gaining more prominence. Those who bought Bitcoin several years ago have witnessed its tremendous growth. So, could the future be digital? Only time will tell. Let's take a brief look at the history of the crypto market. The concept of digital currencies dates back to the 1980s. However, it was in 2009 when Bitcoin, created by the mysterious pseudonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto, revolutionized the market. Since then, the crypto market has experienced periods of growth, bubbles, and market crashes. It's been a roller coaster ride that has captured the attention of investors worldwide. Now let's delve into the formal definition of cryptocurrency. According to Jan Lansky, a cryptocurrency is a system that meets several conditions. First, it operates without a central authority, relying on distributed consensus. Second, it keeps track of cryptocurrency units and their ownership. Third, it defines whether new units can be created and establishes rules for their origin and ownership. Ownership of cryptocurrency units is proven cryptographically, and transactions can only be performed by entities proving their ownership. And there you have it, a brief overview of cryptocurrencies, from the basics to its potential as the future of finance and a glimpse into its fascinating market history. Whether you're an investor or simply curious about the digital revolution, cryptocurrencies offer a unique and evolving landscape worth exploring. If you want to learn more or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at abdullahwale19@gmail.com. We're here to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity.